Well, my friends, I have repeatedly told that psoriasis is curable by homeopathic medicine. In allopathic practice, generally psoriasis has no scope and treatment. They only used to prescribe palliative ointments time to time, which palliates the patient for the time being, but the disease goes far away from the cure. In homeopathy, we treat the disease with the symptoms totality, considering the individualization aspect of the patient, and many cases we are being able to cure. Such a case of this gentleman, age about 40 years, has been suffering from psoriasis. My first prescription was brimstone, only brimstone 1, 2, 3, 4. It not means that all cases I should prescribe brimstone, because homeopathy is a mode of treatment, is a system of treatment of individualization, not generalization. So the points in favor of brimstone was, these are for sweets, treated by ointment for a long time, hot patient, etc. The patient came from far district, from the Odisha state of India, Barishar, and by one-time medicine, 80% cure is possible. We have seen, and this is the beauty of homeopathy. Once again, I have proved, my friends. Dekhao that. So, are you satisfied?
जी सर.
आपका एक्सपीरियंस बताओ.
सर माई सेल्फ प्रशांत कुमार भोई, मैं सर उड़ीसा से हूँ. सर मेरा ऐसे हालत हुआ था कि शरीर में जैसे देखोगे तो सर कोई बोल नहीं सकता कि मैं ठीक होगा. पहले सर एलोपैथी से मैं 1 लाख करीब मैं खर्च कर दिया हूँ सर. आपका जैसे मुझे एड्रेस मिला, किसी से भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिला, मैं आया सर 2.5 महीना में मैं करीब 80% ठीक हो गया हूँ सर.
So this is the beauty of homeopathy. By only one-time medicine, the patient has improved a lot, 80% cures according to his own version, is established and is acclaimed as established truth. The procedure is same. Present complaints, past history, family history, personal history, homeopathic generalities to be corrected with attention in observing, freedom from prejudice, and fidelity in tracing the cases. Then and then only you will pick up on simillimum medicine with your common sense, applying your common sense, your observation, your interpretation, which overwhelm the case. So homeopathy is a science. It has scientificity. Once again, I have shown many incurable cases can possible to cure by homeopathic medicine.